Hello, Kenny. My name is Steve Douglas. I'm the Internet Manager here at Pacific Auto Center. You had inquired online about a Dodge truck, and we sold that truck. But I wanted to take this opportunity to show you that we've got so many other trucks on the lot. We specialize in gas and diesel trucks. We usually have about 250 to 300 on the lot at any one time. So we invite you to come on down, take a look for yourself, take a look at all of our inventory, and pick out the truck for you. We've got many in stock, and we want to earn your business. Pacific Auto Center. We're located in Fontana. Our number is 909-429-1100. Come on out. We're in Fontana. We're off the 10 freeway. We're on Valley Boulevard in between Citrus and Sierra. Pacific Auto Center. We look forward to earning your business soon.